Unrepentant. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, refers to someone who shows no regret, remorse, or guilt for their actions, especially when those actions have caused harm or offense to others. Sentence. Despite causing significant damage to the environment, the unrepentant factory owner continued to ignore the concerns of local residents. Ramps up. Part of speech, phrasal verb. Meaning, to increase the intensity, volume, or level of something, often used in the context of increasing activity, production, or effort. Sentence. As the holiday season approaches, the toy manufacturers ramp up production to meet the soaring demand. Atrocities. Part of speech, noun plural. Meaning, refers to extremely cruel, wicked, and inhumane acts, or actions, often involving violence, brutality, or gross violation of human rights. Sentence. The international community was shocked and appalled by the news of the atrocities committed during the conflict,